So first question arises here, what is radicals and how it is related to cation and anion? Radical contains unpaired electron, or we can say that it is 7 electron species. Its notation by this dot sign, while carbon ion contains 8 electron species. Its notation by negative sign, while carbocation is 6 electron species. Its notation by this positive sign. So how to achieve radicals? There are two ways that we can achieve radicals. One by carbocation, another one is by carbanion pathway. If we will remove one electron from carbon ion, means 8 minus 1, that is 6 electron. Removal of one electron from carbon ion, formation of radical. While another one is addition of one electron, means 6 plus 1, that is 7 electron. Addition of one electron in carbocation, formation of radical. Another main factor that which help in the reactions. First, carbocation. So in carbocation we know that it is 6 electron species. So for one covalent bond we know that minimum 2 electron is required. So here there is 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond. So how many bonds are there? 3. So total 6 electrons. So there are no extra electrons. So this p orbital is empty. So due to 3 bond pair, hybridization is sp2, and due to empty p orbital, shape is trigonal planar. While in carbon ion, there are 8 electron species. 6 electron goes to 3 bond formation, while 2 electrons are in p orbital. So we can say that this is filled p orbital, or another term is lone pair. So 3 bond pair plus 1 lone pair, that indicates sp3 hybridization, while filled p orbital indicates trigonal pyramidal shape. Before discussing radicals or its shapes, we discuss about the bonding anti-bonding lobes. So here you can see that in this is bonding lobe, dark one, empty one, anti-bonding lobe. So here size both bonding and anti-bonding lobes size is equal or similar. Similarly in carbon ion, bonding lobe, anti-bonding lobe, both side bonding and anti-bonding lobe size are similar. But in radicals, if size of bonding lobe and anti-bonding lobes are equal, then shape is trigonal planar. If size of bonding lobe is higher than anti-bonding lobe, you can see that this one is bonding lobe, this size is bigger than this one anti-bonding lobe. So its shape is shallow pyramid. And shallow pyramid is, in the shallow pyramid, there is a rapid interconversion in between these two structures. Are radicals stable? If not, then what they would do? No, radicals are not stable at room temperature. So they will undergo dimerization except no steric hindrance. So what is the process of radical dimerization? If in a solution, two compounds are there, one is X radical, another one is Y radical. So X radical share one electron with Y radical, means this one electron and this one electron will share each other and formation of this new covalent bond, XY bond. Similarly, if consider only one compound is there, one type of compound, like X radical is present in one solution, so it will undergo dimerization or no? Yes, it will undergo dimerization, formation of XX bond. So similarly, here no extra radicals are there, means only one type of radical is there. So 2 propyl radical will combine with another 2 propyl radical. This propyl radical and this 2 propyl radical, formation of this new covalent bond, representation by this green bond. This is the new covalent bond. Similarly in allyl radical, this new green bond, that is covalent bond. Similarly in benzyl radical, 2 benzyl radical also can combine. Next question is, how many type of cleavage are possible for bond breaking and which cleavage is cause of radical formation? A bond can be broken in 2 different ways. One is heterolytic bond cleavage forms ions. Like what type of ions? Cation and anion. And homolytic cleavage leads to radicals. So heterolytic cleavage, how do you show that this is heterolytic cleavage and this one is homolytic cleavage? This will show by heterolytic cleavage shown by double barbed arrow. You can see that this double barbed arrow, ethyl cation. This one is chlorine anion. While showing homolytic cleavage, how do you show? Homolytic cleavage, so bond cleavage shows by single barbed arrow or named by fish hook, or generally we know that fish hook arrow. It shows only one type, fish hook of single barbed, not double barbed. Double barbed is this both side. Single one is only this one. So one bond broken by two arrows, two single barbed arrows. So one electron goes to chlorine, another one goes to this carbon, ethyl carbon. So ethyl radical and chlorine radical will form. And fish hook arrow shows the motion of one electron. You can see that in one bond, two electrons are there. One electron goes to chlorine, another one goes to this ethyl carbon. What is the experimental evidence for radical stability? Experimental evidence came through bond dissociation energy. We took the example methyl, ethane, propane, isobutane. So bond dissociation energy is shows here of bond broken of this CH bond, particular pink CH bond. Here in methyl this CH, ethane this CH, this CH and this CH. So when we remove this bond or bond broken by homolytic cleavage, this CH bond requires 381 kilojoule per mole bond dissociation energy. And this bond requires how much energy? 435. So methyl to isobutane, bond dissociation energy is decreasing. 435, 410, 397, 381. But when radical will form here, methyl radical, ethyl radical, propane radical here and isobutane radical. So here is 0 alpha hydrogen, here 3 alpha hydrogen, here 6 alpha hydrogen, here 9 alpha hydrogen. So increase in alpha hydrogen means decrease in bond dissociation energy and increase in a hyperconjugation structure. Both are inversely to each other. So what is the conclusion here? Conclusion here is stability of radical increases as hyperconjugation increases. And bond dissociation energy is lowest of CH bond involving a tertiary carbon. This is tertiary carbon, this is secondary carbon, this is primary carbon, this is methyl carbon. Okay, so this tertiary carbon indicating that it easiest to cleave CH bond homolytically, means we can cleave this bond homolytically easy. Then this is require high energy to cleave homolytically. I hope you like this video.